Success in acting class is quiet. It doesn't look like applause. It doesn't look like praise. It looks like clarity, clearer choices, better listening, less forcing. Success looks like walking into a scene, knowing what you want, and being flexible enough to change. By the end of this module, you should understand something important. Acting is not magic. It is not mysterious. And it is not reserved for special people. It is a craft. And like any craft, it rewards people who train consistently. If you treat this class seriously, you will walk away with tools you can use anywhere. Auditions, scenes, on camera, on stage. This is where training begins. Confidence comes later. So, brothers and sisters, listen really close. It doesn't arrive because someone believed in you. It arrives because you've put in the repetitions. You've done the work. You know what you're doing. And when something goes wrong, you know how to adjust. That's where confidence actually lives. Not in personality, not in talent, not in pretending you're ready. It lives in preparation. It lives in consistency. It lives in showing up when it's uncomfortable and doing the work anyway. And if you keep training, confidence doesn't have to be chased. It shows up on its own.